Myself Dibakar Kumar. Welcome to all on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss class 6 maths geometry portions. Today's topic is parallel lines. So first I am going to discuss this parallel line on the basis of some figures. So do you know what parallel lines are? You will understand this with the following examples. First, see blackboards, rulers and ladders. Now we will compare the figures each other. First, opposite edge of a blackboard, the opposite edge of a ruler, the opposite edge of a ladder. What is one common thing among all these? You understand and tell me. The two edges of a blackboard, a ruler and a ladder, never meet each other and never intersect each other. This is the common things among all these figures. On the basis of above figure and common things among all of them, some important things come out from this. Important things about parallel lines. First, parallel lines are drawn in the same plane. Parallel lines never meet each other. And third one is parallel lines are always equidistant from each other. These three things come out from the above figure. Now we will draw the two parallel lines L and M. If L and M are two parallel lines, we write L parallel to M, and clearly when L parallel to M, we have also write M parallel to L. Read it as L is parallel to M. Now on the above facts, we can define. How can we define parallel lines? Definition of parallel lines. Two parallel lines are said to be parallel if they lie in the same plane, do not intersect each other at any point, and are equal distance apart throughout. These are the important facts among two parallel lines. Now the next point, distance between two parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same throughout the lines. This distance is called the distance between the two parallel lines. Now we are taking two examples. Two lines I have taken, AB and CD, or also L and M. The length AD and BC is called the perpendicular distance between L and M at point A and B respectively. Take any point A on line L, and from L draw AD perpendicular to L meeting M at D. Measure the length of the line segment AD. Similarly, we can repeat these things. Take any point B on L. From B, draw perpendicular BC to L, meeting M point at C. Measure the length of the line BC. We will find the length of AD and BC will remains the same, and this is the distance between two parallel line L and M. Now I am going to discuss parallel segments and parallel rays. Parallel segments and parallel. Two segments are parallel if the corresponding line determined by them are parallel. I am drawing the figure AB and CD. Now come in second point. Two rays are parallel if the corresponding lines determined by them are parallel. Here OA and OA and OPQ are two rays. Now in third point, one line segment and one ray are parallel if they corresponding lines determined by them are parallel, AB and CD. So that's all for parallel lines. For better understanding, this is all facts. Thank you.